Good morning everybody, it's Thursday the 25th of April and today is the day that we're going to be meeting up with our Canada reunion folk, but before we do, we thought we'll park Herman in a car park in Great Malvern, and you can see the actual, well hopefully, you see the mountains, the Malvern Hills through the trees there. The weather has changed considerably, as you may have noticed, because over the last few days it has been brilliant hot sunshine where we were in the Peak District, but now it's been raining all the time. The sun's actually coming out and there's blue sky behind us, but over in that direction is just cloud. Hopefully, as we're just going to wander, we've never been to Malvern, so as we're going to wander, may even get some lunch here. Hopefully the weather stays off, although you seem to be prepared already, my love. So just walking up here, and I noticed these steps.
Oh yeah, Malvern.
Can you see that? Not really, but it's a picture if you crouch down. Maybe here. Bit of a clean, you'll be able to see clearer. Now this is a pretty impressive entrance to the museum, don't you think? Wow, that's really nice. Impressive. Looks like we're going in. The porter's squint. The monk on duty would have looked through the squint to check visitors before admitting them. A window, in other words. Oh, is that the actual museum itself? This side, though, doesn't look so impressive. Until you come and have a look at some of the neighbouring buildings. And the Abbey Hotel is just full of foliage. This is the Priory Church. And I've only just noticed it's got two tiers, look, 1, 2, and then the main tower, flying the St George's flag.
Cozy now.
We're now inside. Trying to be very quiet. We're now inside Priory Church. It's very quiet in here. Each one of these chairs has got a head or an animal carved onto the handle. Mine's got a head. And around this side, some sort of gargoyle or something, can't make that out. And this one looks like some sort of bird head, fish body, and then what could be a bat wing or an arm or something. No idea what that is. I'm intrigued now. Oh, this one moves. That's some sort of boar, a face, a head, and a tree. Two balls around a fire or something, a pot of something. Let's check under this one.
Oh no, it's obviously this one.
Oh, it's a head eating a serpent or something. Zoe thinks it's a witch under here. Oh, look.
Witch with a rat, is it?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Looks like a woman with a pointy hat and a broom, maybe a witch. And some sort of, I don't know, goat. So these are called misery cords or monk stalls, and they date from the 14th and 15th centuries. And each seat is carved from a single block of oak. Carvings include mythical creatures and scenes from everyday life. I'm not exactly sure how this works, but if I move the cushion out of the way, that props up like that, and they would lean on this, maybe crouch down, having a rest, I don't know, maybe a knee on there. That would be very uncomfortable though. But whatever, quite a nice carving of whatever chair they choose to sit at or lean at.
Oh, here they are. The welcoming committee. Are they waiting for us all, Marla?
Is that our spot there?
What's happening now then?
We have arrived at Wolverley campsite, meeting up with some friends that we made when we went to Canada in 2016. We were just sitting outside having a chat, having a cup of tea in our Herman mugs, and this happened. Oh, that's hail now.
Yeah.
So we've all darted for cover. But it's been a bit of a strange day when it comes to weather, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's
We've had
really sunny.
When it's sunny, it kind of burns, just like the other
You need your
day.
sunglasses on.
Yeah, it's been raining and windy and hail, and no, it's just raining.
All manner of weather.
Was that thunder?
Yes, we had thunder earlier.
I think
didn't
I think that was thunder. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.